In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix GLFW error 65542. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at some of the fixes you could potentially do. The first one being updating, let me just take the pen out, update graphic drivers. Alright. So visit your graphic card manufacturer's website, for example, AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install the updated drivers and restart your computer. Well, the second fix is that you have to check your system requirements. System requirements. Perfect. So ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Minecraft. If it doesn't, consider upgrading your hardware. Minecraft's official website will list the recommended system specifications. The third one we have is disable overlays. So disable any overlays from other applications like Discord or Steam that might interfere with Minecraft's launch. Then we have to verify game files. So launch the Minecraft launcher and verify the integrity of your game files. This can help identify and fix corrupted files. And then we have try a clean install. Try a clean install. So if none of the above solutions work, try uninstalling and reinstalling Minecraft completely. This can sometimes resolve underlying issues. Then we have check for conflicts. So if you have recently installed any new software, try uninstalling it to see if it's causing the conflict. Then we have updating Windows. So you have to ensure that you are up to date with the Windows software. So if you're working with a Windows 10, then obviously go ahead and shift to Windows 11. The next one could be adjusting the graphic settings. Adjust graphic settings. So try lowering your graphic settings in Minecraft to see if that helps. And if this issue still persists, it might be a hardware problem. Try testing your graphic cards in another system or consult a technician for further diagnosis. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.